Oh, yeah.
What's up, y'all? Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of an unboxing and review of the Smooth X by Zhiyun. Let's see, whichever way that works for you guys. So yeah, by Zhiyun. If you remember the Zhiyun gimbal that I had that I bought for my DSLR camera, my Canon, I'll put the link somewhere around. Yeah, this is basically the same company. They made it for for phones. Seeing that a lot of the phones that you get now, I mean they're doing everything from high quality, up to 8K. I think the new Note 2 something, whatever it's called, it's like 8K video. Like come on, that's next level. So even the camera that I'm using right now, which is my iPhone 11 Pro, stat wise, and just the what it can do in terms of the performance, it's a little better than my DSLR. There is purposes of using DSLR, but there's also purposes of using something like this. And what this gimbal does is a 2-axis gimbal. It's not a 3-axis like how normal gimbals are. So it kind of gives you a good perspective. It goes basically like this, and if I'm not mistaken, like this. You know what I mean? So it has those 2-axis range of motion is what you're looking for when you get something like this. So yeah, let's crack it open. I've had this for a little minute now, just waiting for the right time to actually do a proper unboxing for you guys. So I've already, obviously pre-opened it and everything like that. Let's take a look at some of the box information. So we have that. You get the app, which is, you have to have an app for this. It's called the Zhiyun app from Zhiyun. That's the app that predominantly runs on this particular unit. So that's that. Shows all the different stuff that comes with it. It has the actual main unit. It has it's an extra extended handle. It has the USB-C connector, the case, and the manual. So pretty much how it would look. It's a very small, compact, piece of tech. Let's crack this open for you guys. This is kind of what you're met with when you open up the kit. So obviously, it's an empty box. I'll move this to the side right here. So with this, let's crack this open. Remove the plastic. This is how it really comes. So it's the box right here. It's a nice sturdy type box. Nice, nice presentation. I'll tell you that right now. You would think because of a China company, it may be, no offense, but it may be some kind of cheap. No, this is actually really, really good, sturdy, can take a little bit of a beating type of case. So yeah, they offer a Pro version, if I'm not mistaken, and a standard version. Now the Pro version doesn't come with the case, if I'm not mistaken. It just comes with the unit, and I don't believe it comes with this extended piece, but I could be wrong. I opted for the Pro version anyway, and I think that was like 69 bucks. The regular version, I think was like 59 bucks. So you might as well for $10 more get all of this than anything else. So like I was saying, you guys, you have the USB to USB-C connector. You get the nice little mini thick manual. You get a little service card. You get another piece of information, I guess some breakdown. Oh, this basically just tell you what the stuff is made of. The fabric, the polyurethane, all that stuff. It just gives you a big, hey, this is what it has. And this is the big manual. Nice thick. It's not as intimidating as it looks. It comes in multiple different languages, so it's not as big as you think it is. So that's that. You have this, and then okay, we get to the meat and potatoes of this. Let's throw that out. So this is kind of what you get. This is the unit here. When you first get it though, make sure you be careful when you actually take it out. A lot of people have actually broken the unit when they first took it out because they forget to go like this and they bend it the other way trying to take this part out. So they're like, oh man, how do I get it out? How do I move it? And then they're like struggling with it. Be easy, pull it out slightly, bend it, and then you can completely pull it out to see it. So, and then of course it has like a little notch right here. Just swing it the other way so that the notch is not being in the way. So you have this unit right here. This is how it really is. The phone will go here. Nice Zhiyun. I mean, it's pretty high quality stuff. I mean, you can see how that's working right there. Pull it out. It can really get extended pretty long. It's not like the longest thing in the world because it's technically a glorified selfie stick with turning motors that you can be able to command from right here. This is the control center right here. This allows you to move in the 2-axis, and this is your mode button. This allows you to change the mode either from this being this way or it being in portrait mode. You know, from landscape to portrait mode. That's what allows you to change that from this control. And then of course, you can control the recording from here via the app. Once you put the app on your phone, you do it through Bluetooth. Everything is done through Bluetooth. You open the app, the actual Zhiyun app, and you go from there. You can actually make it work from there. So this is how it's going to be set up from here. All right. So let's move this out the way for you guys. So we pull this out. I think this is a really good addition to what they did. They added this extension arm to this piece. So as you can see, squeezes in, turns. Now you have like perfect, you know, motion, range and motion when you're doing this. So, and of course you can extend it. It gives you a little bit more of an extension with this added piece. And let's go ahead and roll this up. And it doubles as a tripod because this also has settings that you can do hand gestures. So let's say, for instance, you're recording yourself. Let's say like how I do majority of my videos, I record myself. So what this does, it allows me to perch this up, and you do a hand gesture of like open hand, like this. You do like an open hand gesture to it. It automatically knows that you want to record, and then it counts down. I think it's like 3, 2, 1, and then it starts recording for you. So it's kind of like good to have it's almost like having your own camera dolly person there that can actually record for you. So it's a pretty ingenious type stuff. I mean, the software is really good too. The software is probably one of the best softwares that you can possibly get with a unit like this. Yeah, there are probably other better versions of video making apps that can unlock more potential in your phone, but the app that comes with this is really, really good. The only downfall is technically you can really only use this with their Zhiyun app. So in terms of the pressing the button on record, yeah, you can use another app, but you won't be able to do this. You won't be able to press record on it when you're doing it. You're gonna have to, whatever app you use, let's say if it's Filmic Pro or any of those other phone type apps, you're gonna have to do your own pressing manually. It'll still do the whole movement, like it'll still move in the directions that you want, but you would lose the focus of this, of using this record. And you'll still be able to use the manual button, but you lose the functionality of record. So that's the drawback to it. You can't use it with any other, you know, video editing software that you find, any third-party video editing software. And that's what you basically get. I mean, you get all this. It's a pretty good unit. It's a pretty good unit. For the price, for what you're getting, it's definitely one of the best that I think you can get. They did come out with, I believe, a Smooth XS, if I'm not mistaken. It's a different version from this. So it's again, I've done some research on that, and like I said, you can do your own research on it. I will have this down in the description so you guys could check it out directly from Zhiyun's page, and you can go from there. It's probably one of the best things, especially if you're doing a lot of like your own recording from your phone, which a lot of people are doing. This kind of like really opens up the possibilities, and I will have some video playing while I'm talking of some of the you know, some of the motion and the action video that I'm getting with this. You're able to get a lot of low-hanging shots, whereas before you would have to hold your camera as low as possible, get down on all fours almost to get shots, where this, you stretch it out like this, you can go ahead and get nice low-hanging shots like the ones you see right here. And, you know, this is definitely the way to go when you're talking about tech for your phone to be able to do, you know, more dynamic shots, more dynamic video for a really inexpensive price. Again, the price is around $59 to, I believe it's like $69, something like that. So yeah, this is definitely what you should get. And it holds basically every phone. I think the phone, it can go up to, at least from what I understood, it can go up to an iPhone Pro Max phone. I mean, it has huge capabilities right now to be able to do all this. So that's the beauty of it. So hey, if you guys like what you see, let me know in the comments. Leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me if this is something you may be interested in, especially if you're doing a lot of video recording from your phone, which a lot of us are doing. This is definitely a buy for me. I would definitely make that purchase or something like this, especially if you don't have a DSLR, and especially with gimbals. They're coming down generally in price, but this is still leaps and bounds better than just having nothing at all. And it gives you 2 axis to be able to do as much motion. Yeah, you don't have the 3rd axis, which is the up and down, the pan up and down. But it's better than nothing, I say. And for the price, you can't beat it. You really can't beat it for the price. All right, so guys, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna have some more content on the certain tech that I got, and that I'm gonna be getting in the future. So you guys know I love camera tech. This channel is just not all about cars. I love to kind of show you guys what I'm using to get certain shots and stuff like that. So I really want to get down into that realm of things, because I love photography and I love videography. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. As always, love each other, be blessed. It can only get better, y'all. Stay driven. 1.